Welcome to DDS, Dental Drill Solutions, Australia's premier dental handpiece repairers who have the dental industry experience to provide you with the perfect solution for every handpiece. Backed by a team of experienced craftsmen, we are experts at servicing and repairing all makes and models of high speeds, low speeds, red bands and lab motors, using parts sourced from the USA, Germany and Europe. That's right, DDS is forever expanding and reinvesting in our operational software by keeping track of current trends and demands of modern dental surgery to keep our clients one step ahead of their competitors. We've invested our blood, sweat and tears in building the foundation of a quality company that you can rely on. Whether you're a dental health professional, a corporate organisation, a medical university or an acclaimed hospital, with our bespoke software tool, Handpiece Hub, you can now keep full control of all your repairs information and inventory control from all of your sites using a single login. Now you can easily access the history file of all your previously repaired handpieces from any of your practices, while enjoying 24/7 access from any computer in any location to monitor the current status of repairs in our workshop. We give exclusive login access to all locations for head offices, while offering individual logins for practices to help you make the most out of our system. The best part? With our inventory control, you can now see how many handpieces and of what type are held at each site, or with visual photographic evidence to help you identify problem handpieces. Correlate and download statistical information. Run comparison reports between practices. Aid your financial year budget analysis and forecasting. You can click on the link to request a free courier pickup. Get useful technical video tips. Join countless dental professionals who have come to trust Dental Drill Solutions to enjoy exceptional quality repairs at affordable prices. Visit us at dentaldrillsolutions.com.au today.